Oversight and compliance work involves digesting mountains of data. You're pulling findings from dozens of audits, cross-referencing risk assessments, and tracking control frameworks across global operations. Doing this manually by copying and pasting into spreadsheets takes weeks we simply don't have. Artificial intelligence offers a way out of the bottleneck. It can parse hundreds of pages of raw data and structure it into clean, readable formats in seconds. But in our profession, speed comes with serious hazards. If an AI miscategorizes a critical finding as low severity or hallucinates a control that doesn't exist, the resulting risk matrix exposes the entire organization to severe regulatory penalties and reputational damage. Very few auditors or compliance officers started their careers managing large language models. We are all figuring out how to cross the bridge from understanding theoretical AI concepts to safely applying them in our daily routines. So pull up a chair. Let's look at how we can navigate this learning curve together instead of trying to figure it all out in isolation. We can harness this incredible processing power to accelerate our workflows, provided we keep our rigorous professional standards completely intact. Let's set the baseline. When you use AI to organize a complex compliance report, you remain completely accountable for every single word and data point in the final output. It helps to think of AI as a highly capable calculator rather than a junior analyst. You don't delegate authority to it, you direct its mechanical functions. This cycle diagram outlines the 4-phase pattern. It's a structured methodology to keep you in control. The 4 distinct steps are specification, creation, verification, and documentation. We start with specification. Instead of typing a vague prompt like, "Organize this," you have to lock in specific boundaries. You tell the system exactly what format you need, who the audience is, and precisely how to group the data, say by control area, severity, and remediation status. Next is creation. The AI takes your instructions and generates an output. It might cleanly format your data into a beautiful matrix. Treat this strictly as a rough, unverified first draft, because no matter how brilliant your initial instructions were, that generated structure means absolutely nothing until you apply your own critical judgment to it. That brings us to phase 3, verification. This is where your deep domain expertise actually goes to work, scrutinizing the AI's logic against the real-world context of your organization. You have to avoid falling into verification theater. That's the trap of simply scanning a neat spreadsheet, thinking, "This looks about right," and approving it without cross-referencing a single source document. If the AI scores a risk as medium, you must manually validate that against your own company's specific risk taxonomy. A medium likelihood in a generic model might actually trigger a high alert protocol under your internal standards. You also need to watch for what we call distortion through structure. An AI will often combine 2 distinct, nuanced audit findings into a single row just to make the final table look concise, entirely erasing crucial context in the process. Once you've corrected those errors, you enter phase 4, documentation. This log shows exactly what you prompted, the raw output you received, the manual corrections you made, and your final sign-off. Keeping a precise record of your oversight process proves that the final decisions were yours. It defends your professional integrity long after the work is filed away. When you repeat this 4-phase cycle across every compliance task, it stops feeling like extra work. It becomes organizational muscle memory. As you can see in this network graphic, a single effective prompt or a robust verification checklist developed by one person quickly spreads, establishing a new baseline of efficiency for the entire department. The work you do to carefully structure and test an AI workflow benefits everyone. What one auditor figures out, the whole team gets to use. Offloading the rote mechanical tasks doesn't diminish the value of your experience. It actually demands a much sharper, more strategic application of it. By letting the software sort thousands of cells of data into initial categories, you recover hours of your week. You can spend that time analyzing the actual risks and defending your conclusions. Bring your deep domain knowledge to the table. Your insight and critical thinking are far more vital now than they were when you were just moving data around manually. Navigating this shift is a shared journey. As we bring these powerful new tools into our daily routines, our rigorous collective standards will remain